What's up, guys? In this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you the simplest and the easiest way to create $200 a day. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I do want to welcome you here. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing, making money online, as well as entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, definitely hit that subscribe button and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now guys, in this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you a simple process that you can actually churn out $200 per day. It's actually a simple method that you can actually do over and over and over again, and it really boils down to some simple mathematics, and I'm going to actually show you guys this in this video. So make sure you pay close attention. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, guys, so let's going to jump right into this video. Now, again, what I'm going to be showing you guys today is how you can actually make a consistent $200 per day. And I'm not going to really sugarcoat anything for you guys. I'm basically going to just show you and tell you what you need to do in order to do it consistently and easily, right? So the key word is consistent. So this is what you actually need to do in order for it to happen consistently. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So in order to generate $200 per day, what you're going to need is a list, an email list, right? And it doesn't really matter what niche you're in, but you're going to definitely need a list. Now, most of the people watching this video is in the affiliate marketing space, the make money online space. So what you really want, if you really want to generate $200 per day, is you want to have a list of about 10,000 email subscribers. So let's just put 10,000 subs here. Now, some of you may be thinking 10,000 subscribers is just absolutely too hard to do, or you may think that it may take a very long time to do that, but I want to implore to you guys that it's not very difficult to get 10,000 subscribers on an email list. No, it may not happen overnight, but it can happen in a short period of time if you know how to set everything up correctly. Now, with 10,000 subscribers, I want to let you guys know, and I want to be upfront and transparent with you, open rates for email marketing are down. So a lot of people will tell you about, email marketing is the best and it is a great way to make consistent income. And I'm going to show you that here today. But I do want to let you know that open rates and click-through rates are actually down when it comes to email marketing. So what I want to show you guys here today is a mathematical formula that is very realistic and it's very conservative. What I've done and what a lot of my friends have done that are in this industry. So I'm not just making some pie in the sky numbers. This is something that is actually factual in terms of these averages and these estimates that I'm going to give you today. So what we're going to do here is we're going to look at these 10,000 emails. So say you have your 10,000 people on the list, and then we want to look at, say, if you sent out a offer, right, to your email list, and let's just say that you get a 5% open rate on your list, just a 5%. So if we take the 10,000 people and we're going to times that by 0.05, so this is going to be your open rate. So with 10,000 email subscribers at 5%, that's going to equal to 500 opens. So these are the amount of people that are actually going to open your email. So 500 opens. So out of that 500 opens, that is not going to be determined of how much money you can make, because before you can actually make a sale, the people actually have to click on the link, right? You have to click on the link. So what we want to look at is an average of about maybe 10% of these 500 people clicking on the link. So we take the 500 opens and you times that by 10%. So these are the click-throughs here. You're going to equal to a total of 50 clicks. So if you think about it, guys, I mean, look at this. This is, you have a list of 10,000 people. And out of 10,000 email subscribers, you're only going to get 50 clicks. And this is absolutely pretty realistic in these day and ages of email marketing. And that's why, a lot of the big gurus, they're growing these huge lists of hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people, because they know the more people that they can send email to, the more opens, the more clicks, the more sales. But this is just off of a list of 10,000 people, and you're going to get about 50 clicks with these different averages. So a 5% open rate, which is 500 people, then a 10% click-through rate, which is only 50 clicks from a 10,000 email list. Now, granted, if you are building some great rapport, you have a super relationship with your list, maybe you can get a lot better open rates and you can get a lot better click-through rates. But you really have to know how to build a relationship and really be a master at email copy. And all of that can come, and the more opens and clicks you get, the more sales you're going to make. But what I'm trying to do is show you guys something that is conservative that you can actually do and work towards while you're actually building your online marketing business. So right now we have 50 clicks. Now we know we can get 50 clicks. So what you need to do is you need to find an offer, right? You need to find an offer, but you can't just sell any offer. The offer has to be converting at a certain click-through rate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop over to the Warrior Plus offer, the Warrior Plus network, and what I'm going to be looking for here. And the reason why I'm looking at Warrior Plus is just because it gives you a lot of the data, but you can almost use any network as long as you have some statistics on their conversions or click-throughs. So what you're going to be looking for in the Warrior Plus particularly is the visitor value right here. So the visitor value is basically like what you would make per click. So these are actually the actual raw data that people are generating revenue on a per click basis. So what you want to look for is the visitor value. And if you're getting 50 clicks, you definitely want to look at something that is going to generate you, at least $4 or more per click. So I can look through all of these offers, and I see this offer here, Purex or something, and I don't know what that is, guys, but it has a visitor value or a per click revenue amount for $4.38. So this offer is converting at $4.38 per click. Now we know that we can get 50 clicks from our email list because we just did the math, right? So if we go back to, our board here, and we're getting $4.38, let's just go to the calculator. So let's put in 50 times, $4.38. So that is going to equal to $219. So $200.19. So let's do our offer, which was, it was $4.38. And that is going to equal to a grand total over here of $292. I think I got that right. Was that right? $219, okay? So $219, you guys get the pictures. And let's just put $219. So $219 off of an offer that you can actually mail out to your list, and you can actually make this on a consistent basis. So what we did today is we took an email list of 10,000 people. We got a small open rate of 5%. And from that, we were able to generate 50 clicks. And we found an offer that was converting at $4.38 per click, which would net us $219 if we were to send that to our list and make those sales. So not a bad payday off of 50 clicks, and not a bad payday off of just sending an email. The problem that a lot of people face, and some of you guys may be looking at this video now and just say, well, hey, I've gotten 50 clicks to an offer and I didn't make $200. So there's a couple things that you have to do in order to actually make this thing work. So the first thing you need to know how to do is you need to know how to effectively build a list of 10,000 people. So you got to know how to build a list of 10K subs, right? You got to know how to do that. And what I mean by building an effective list, you need to know how to build it fast and hopefully profitably, or at least to break even. Because a lot of times people are reluctant to build their list because they feel like they're going to lose money. So if you're at least breaking even and you're not really paying for the advertisement or whatever like that, then you're feeling more, opt to go ahead and continue to build your list, because you need to get to a certain list amount to start getting those clicks. I just broke it down here. So you got to get to a certain amount of clicks consistently. And that's why you need to know how to build the list effectively. And so the second thing that you need to know is how to actually pick the correct offers. So let's put, pick correct offers. And basically, again, what I mean by that is what offer is actually going to convert. And basically what I mean by that is you really have to know how to pick a winning offer. You really have to know that it's going to convert. Sometimes you have offers that are converting really high from a per click standpoint, but it's just because there is massive amounts of affiliates selling that product, or there is some huge incentive to purchase that product. And it doesn't really mean that the product is good quality or it has a really good high conversion rate. So you actually have to know what a good product looks like, so that you have the per click information there, but then you also need to be able to do your due diligence by looking at the product and assessing a couple different things to make sure that it's going to be a high quality product and it's going to convert if you're going to put a campaign behind it so that you can actually sell it. And then the last thing that you really need to know how to do is how to increase conversions, right? And this is very important because, anybody can send clicks to an offer, right? And it doesn't matter what type of clicks you're sending, because you could be sending garbage clicks. But when you're sending targeted traffic to an offer, there's different things that you can do. There's different techniques that you can do to increase your conversion rates. And a lot of people starting out, beginners, they don't know how to do this, and they don't know what they can do to actually increase their conversion rates. So those are the main big things that are stopping people from succeeding at getting to the $200 a day mark. They're not building their list big enough and effective. So it's not an effective email list, right? And it's not big enough. A lot of times it's just the fact that they're just not getting enough traffic to the offers. So if you're building a big enough list and you're building it effectively, you're going to be able to get to this point. And then you also have to pick the correct offers. That's, you could ruin your whole credibility if you're not picking the correct offers. And then how do you take those offers and you increase your conversion rate, right? One guy could send out an email to his list and get 50 clicks and make 0 sales. Whereas another guy can send the same email out to his list, or the same offer out to his list, and get 20 sales. There's a reason why. Because the person that got the 20 sales probably has set and learned how to do advanced tactics to increase conversions. Right? There's a couple of different things you need to understand. So this is basically what I wanted to kind of explain to you guys today. And if you got nothing out of this, what you really want to do is you want to make sure that you're building a big enough email list, right? So that you can get enough opens, so that you can get enough clicks, so that you can make the money, right? So however you want to do that, that's what you need to do. Now, I actually was thinking of creating some training that will take you through these different steps of building an effective email list to 10,000, the fastest way I possibly know and the most effective way I possibly know, and going ahead and showing you how to pick high converting offers, as well as showing you how you can actually increase your conversions by some advanced techniques that I know how to do. I was thinking about creating some training about all of this. What I want to know from you guys in the comment section below, is this something that you would be interested in learning about? Let me know in the comment section below that you would like to see some advanced training, some step-by-step training on how to put all of this together. Now, if you don't want to see any of this training, it doesn't matter. You still have the information. This is the blueprint that you want to try to follow, right? So if you don't want the training, just try to follow this blueprint and get to that $200 a day mark. But if you guys feel like you want some step-by-step training, let me know in the comment section that you wanted, that you want to see some training, and I will try to put some training together over the next couple weeks that walks you through this step by step, right? So this is John from johnmcneil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Just hit it. It's right under the screen. Just tap the like button. It really helps me out. And if you have any questions about this video in particular, make sure you leave it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.